Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to be doing I think I'm going to do a look out of the Do It for the Gram palette by Beauty Bakery. I just filmed a negative review on a Beauty Bakery product and I feel horrible about doing that, so I feel like I need to make up for that by doing a positive review or a positive video of some Beauty Bakery products that I do love. It was just that the foundation didn't work out for me, and I love the brand as a whole, so I need to make a nice video about them. So I'm going to do a look out of the Do It for the Gram eyeshadow palette. Looks like this on the inside. It says Got MILF on the top, and I think that's kind of funny. But yeah, we got some neutrals in here and we got some color in here. So I'm going to do a look out of this one. I have my foundation and contour and concealer on. I did not set it yet because I wanted to set it on camera with my Beauty Bakery Flower setting powder. Now I love this stuff. It really makes for a beautiful velvety finish. So let's dive into some Beauty Bakery products. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some MAC Fix Plus on my Beauty Blender because I'm way too lazy right now to get up and wet it in the bathroom, which is literally right next door to this room. I did all my blending and everything with a dry ass sponge, and let me tell you, it could look better. So I'm just getting that kind of sticky. And I'm putting some of this powder into the lid. I have the shade Translucent. I don't know if it has like a color, but I have the translucent one, so yeah, because my skin is basically translucent. Alright, so I got some on my Beauty Blender, and I'm just gonna go under my eyes, do a little light bake. And we're going to put some in my creases where I get creasy, and then on my nose where I get oily. Not that I'm leaving this on, I'm literally going to take it off as soon as I'm done with this video because I got to go to the gym and then go to bed. So I don't understand why people do this part of baking, but here I am, doing it anyways. Do people get oily there? Because I don't. And then again, I have dry skin, I don't really, well, I get oily in my T-zone, but because my T-zone is super dry. Okay, so while that's baking, I'm gonna do my brows real quick. You know what, I'm feeling really lazy tonight, and I didn't even want to put on my face to begin with. I just wanted to film, but I didn't want to put on a face. So I'm just gonna use my Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel real quick here. Okay, now that that's sat for like a minute, I'm going to dust some more on and dust off the excess. Because I like to set my entire face with powder. I'm going to set my eyes too. I love this powder because it makes my skin just look so like velvety smooth. Just super beautiful setting powder. So I'm going to take my ColourPop brush and I'm going to go into this shade here, lay it down as a base all over my eye. Okay, next I'm going to go with the shade right next to it there as a transition shade. Now one thing that I don't like about this palette is that the pan sizes are huge. Now a lot of people love that, but I don't, because I don't feel like I'll ever use all that shadow. I don't need that much shadow. And then I'm going to use this shade over here as my crease shade. I'm using a crease brush. I want to do this cool duochrome shade on my lid. I'm gonna do this shade in the corner here. It's got that, like, it looks kind of indigo in the pan, but I swatched it on my wrist. I've got other swatches that I kind of wiped off, but if you can see that swatch on my wrist, it comes off like brown with like reflex of blue. It's really cool. So I'm gonna take my shader brush, wet it down. There was just a little bit of fallout from that shade, but that's like to be expected with any shimmer shade. I have never met a shimmer that did not have fallout. Alright, and then I think this shade is going to be a good one to like kind of blend the shade into the crease shade that I put all the way in the corners of my eyes. So I'm just picking a little bit of that up and putting it between the brown crease shade and this lid shade. Okay, I've not done any blending at all, so I'm gonna find my smaller, is this my smaller blending brush? This is my smaller blending brush. Yeah. My smaller blending brush, so I can do more precise blending. And I'm gonna blend out those edges. Okay, now I just gotta do some under the eye shading. Now I'm gonna take some of that crease shade, just to remind you that is this one. And I'm going to take that underneath my eye. Okay, and then I'm going to take my blending brush again and blend that out. Okay, and then I think I'm going to use my finger and take some of this pink shimmer that's up here and put that like right in my corner. Just for a little rose gold moment there. There, I think that's really cute. Now we're just gonna go right in with mascara. And I'm gonna use my Benefit They're Real brown mascara. We're gonna emphasize our bottom lashes by getting the mascara all over the bottom lid. Sounds like a great plan, right? Here, there's a cute little like natural brown eye look. Okay, so let's move on to highlight. I don't have any Beauty Bakery highlights. So I'm gonna do a throwback. I'm gonna go with my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Eclipse from the Manny MUA collab. Okay, so now that that's on, I'm going to use a lippy primer. I use the ColourPop Lippy Sticks Lippy Primer. I use that under every single liquid lip that I ever put on. The Beauty Bakery ones can be particularly drying on bare lips. So that lippy primer does a really nice job of keeping my lips protected from that drying feeling. And then it also, but it doesn't get in the way of these lipsticks staying on for a stupid amount of time and sticking through everything. They last through everything. They're pizza proof. Pizza proof. I'm gonna bust out my Ginger Snap Lip Whip. Here's my cute little look. If you are a fan of the more neutral shades, you're looking to explore color a little bit but don't know where to start, click here for my little collab video with a friend of mine, and then click here to subscribe to me. That is all for me today. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, my loves.